Welcome back to CAD application class. Now let's try to do the assembly of this caster wheel. We already did part 1 and part 2 wherein we have drawn the parts. Now in the final part, this is part 3, we are going to do the assembly. See here, I have already assembled it beforehand to show you. See, it can be moved like this. See here. When this stud goes and fixes into the trolley, then the wheel will move. You can even move the wheel also. Okay. Fine. So now we have got this one present over here. Beautifully we can draw in this fashion. So now let me close this one. So I will not save it. I will simply say okay, let it save, rebuild and save the document. I will just assembly 2, I will save it, no problem. But later I will create a new assembly for you guys. Okay. Now let me just go open a new folder, new assembly. New assembly I have opened. I have to bring the parts. First let me take the caster wheel only. I will take it. So now I will bring and fix the caster wheel. Okay. Now what I will do, I will insert components. Just browse. So all components I will take. Okay. So this is assembly 2. Let me get rid of that. Okay. I will just have everything. Now I have my bush here, and then I have got my bolt here. Shaft, and then I have got my stud here. Then let me put my bracket over here. All parts are ready. So what I will do now, I will just go here. I will ask it to give me temporary access. Okay, all the temporary access are present over here. See, first what I will do, I will go to mate, select this axis, select this axis. See, automatically it came coincident mate. Okay, I will say okay, good. Now it's already there. So what is the next part? The next part is let me make the axis of this one. Sorry, I will make the circle of this one, and this circle I will make it as coincident. Okay. So I have make it concentric. So not coincident, concentric. Okay. I just do it like this. Understand? So let me pull them out over here. Now see, I have got these things present over here. It is moving in, it is coincident. That's great. Now what I will do is, next I will just bring it little bit inside. Okay. Now I will make it little big. What I will do is, I will make this surface. Do you see here this surface, and then move this one by holding your mouse wheels. The center wheel, just turn it like this. I want the other face. Okay. Let me just go turn it over here. Where is the other face? The other face is here. Okay. This face I will select. Understand? Both of this face I will make them coincident. Okay. Means what will happen? They will be there. Now I can move this one inside like this comfortably. Okay. See there? It is going inside. You can see the rib. I cannot turn the shaft now. So the next one what I will do is, I will make this surface. Where is that? This surface and this surface I will make it coincident. Good, done. See there now, already everything is there in place. Let me turn it this way. Now what I will do is, let me make it little small. I will take this one up. I will take the axis of this one, this axis, and this axis I will make it coincident. Okay, they are in same line now. Then the next job what I will do is, I will take this face and I will take this face, this one. See here, this face, I will make them coincident. Now see there, it is sitting perfectly. It is sitting. See there, correct? It is sitting there now. So now what is the next job for me? Next job for me is just to take this wheel. I have got a doubt. Maybe this is quite big. Let me check it later. Maybe I may have to trim it out. Now what is the next job for me? Next job for me is to take this whole assembly. See here, I have to say take this whole assembly, isn't it? It is separate. So what I will do is, I will make this axis and this axis. Okay, or rather what I will do is, this axis and this axis, I will make them coincident. Okay, so it is in the line, it is in line now. Now see here, I can just move like this, anywhere I want I can move. Okay, now the next job what I will do is, now this face I will go to advanced mates. Now I will go to advanced mates. Now you see here, I will select this distance, this is 1 millimeter, I will keep, no problem. Between what face? Between this face and turn it and this face. Okay, see there, and I will click on this one. Done. Beautifully it is done. Now see here, now do you see here the space, the gap between this one and this one is 1 millimeter, and then this is 28 millimeter, 28 plus 1 is 29 plus 1 is 30 millimeters the distance between this point and this point. It's beautifully done. Now I will say okay, that's it, your drawing is completely done now, finished. So now what is the next job for me? Next job for me is only, see here, it is moving around, see here, nicely it is moving. Okay, beautifully it is moving, see, it is not at all shaking, perfectly done. Now this portion, this stud will go and sit in the bottom of the trolley cart. So beautiful, caster wheel is done. Now the next job for me is to put a screw over here, I mean to put a nut over here. The nut you can get from where, no need to draw the nut. If you go over here, what does he say here? M6 hexagonal nut, he says, is it not? These are the standard nuts, you can just go and get from the library. Just go design library, click here. When you click design library, you get so many things. When you open parts, in the parts you have got hardware. Okay, if you open the, see, if you open inserts, you have these things. If you open knobs, you will get knobs, sheet metal parts also you can have. I will go to hardware. When I go to hardware, you can see I have got nut, gear, flanged bolt, quarter pin, everything is there. I will just take this nut, I will drag it over here. See, the moment I drag it and leave it, now it is asking me what size you want. It is a M6 1 millimeter pitch nut, is it not? Select this one. Done. Selected. Okay, now escape. Now I have to, no need. Okay, now what I have to do now, I have to rotate this nut, correct? Now this nut is there, I can just, I have to turn it out. Now I will make the axis of this one, sorry, I have to make the mate command, axis of this and the axis of this one. Okay, I will make them parallel. Okay, so now it's already there, coincident. Where is the nut? The nut is somewhere there. Let me click it. It has gone somewhere inside. Let me get it out. I didn't see that. Where is that? I will just undo it. Or let me just go and make it somewhere, it is sitting there. See there? It has gone there. Let me just move this one out. No, I did not get it. So what I will do now, where is that nut? Nut is here, M6. I will just go and delete it. Okay, yes. So that nut is gone. So now again I will come back and make this color. What I will do again, I will go to library. I will go and select the nut. I will just bring it over here. M6 1, that's fine. How many nuts you want to click, you can have as many as you want. Okay, escape. Now what I will do, I will turn this nut first. Oh, it's not turning. Let me delete this. Let me make this face of the nut. So I will make mate. Okay, mate, this face of the nut and this one, I will make them like this. Okay, see there, they are facing each other. Now I will pull it out. I will pull the nut out. Sorry. Now what I will do, next one is next mate. Next mate is what? I will just go here, mate, this axis and this axis, I will make them coincident. Okay, Now see there, it's already sitting. So these are all the nuts which I don't need. I will finish this. Now what are the other nuts? This one is there. Click on this one. Delete this. Okay, just go here. Delete it. Yes. Go here. Delete it. Gone. Then again go here. Oh no, I want this one. Sorry, this one I don't need. Click here. Delete it. See, everything is gone now. So you have your complete caster wheel assembly. Okay, see here. Caster wheel assembly is there. It's completely done. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'm Keshava. Thank you very much.